Why does one coffee brand make 10,000 sales a month while another can't even give it away for free? It's not luck. It's not the product. It's this. One is unforgettable, the other is invisible. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand that actually stands out in a crowded market. Not with tricks, not with flashy logos, but with a strategy that creates memory, magnetism, and money. Open your phone and scroll for 10 seconds. How many brands did you just see? The answer? Doesn't matter. You forgot all of them. Every single day, the average consumer is hit with over 10,000 marketing messages. That's not just noise, that's war. And most brands, they don't fight, they fade. You've seen it. The coaching site that looks like every other coaching site. The skincare brand with stock photos and a beige color palette. You close the tab and never think of it again. Why? Because in the attention economy, nice brands die fast. David Ogilvy, one of the godfathers of advertising, said it best. If you're not a brand, you're a commodity. And commodities compete on price. Brands compete on belief. Most people think branding is a logo, or a name, or colors. And yes, those matter, but they are not what makes someone remember you. What makes a brand unforgettable is meaning, emotion, story. Take Apple. People buy Apple because they think different. Dell because it's on sale. Sorry Dell, I had a Dell once and it served me very well. Or look at Liquid Death. It's canned water, but the brand says something bold. Death to plastic, death to boring marketing. It has an enemy, and that makes it unforgettable. Simon Sinek's famous Start With Why isn't just a TED Talk fluff. It's a strategy for survival. Brands that lead with purpose get remembered. Brands that lead with features get ignored. Let's take a small business. One sells artisanal coffee. I had to Google that during research. The other, the coffee for insomniac creators who do their best work at 2 a.m. like me. Same product, different feeling. Guess which one you will remember the next time you need caffeine? Standing out doesn't mean being loud. It means being specific. You don't need to be different for everyone, just unforgettable to someone. That's what positioning is. Here is how you do it. Know exactly who you are for, not women aged 25 to 45. Be sharper. New moms who hate toxic baby products. Take a stand against something. Great brands have enemies. Bland brands avoid conflict. Make one clear promise, not 10 features. One outcome that matters. And here is another idea that I have been toying with, and that is changing how people experience products or services, like how Airbnb, Uber, and Netflix changed how we experience entire industries. Anyway, that's just a thought. Positioning expert April Danford says it best. Your market category is a game. You either define it or get defined. You can sell rooms or you can sell belonging. The second one is a brand. You can have the perfect positioning, the perfect story, but if no one sees it, you lose. Visibility isn't about luck, it's about systems. So, how do you get seen without a $50,000 ad budget? Here is how. Consistency across platforms. Voice, visuals, and vibe everywhere. People trust repetition. Own your audience. Social media is rented land. Build your email list. Launch a podcast. Own something. Search-based content. YouTube is Google's second brain. If you're not answering questions people are Googling, you are basically invisible. This video, it follows that same search-based strategy. We target keywords, we structure for retention. That's why you found this. Here are 3 moves you can make this week to make your brand stand out. Change your homepage headline. Make it about a belief, not a feature. From eco-friendly soap to because your skin deserves better than corporate chemicals. 2. Record a 60-second brand story. Use the why, what, how model. Why you started, what you believe, how you help. Post it everywhere. 3. Pick a visual anchor. One color, one phrase, one image. Repeat it until it's synonymous with your name. Repetition is reputation. Be boringly consistent until people can't forget you. Here is the truth. Your brand doesn't need to be bigger. It needs to be sharper. In a sea of sameness, clarity wins. Meaning wins. You win when your audience sees something they believe in. So start there. Make people feel something. Say something that matters and never ever blend in. If you want your brand to be memorable, watch this video next and find out the 3 most important parts of brand positioning that you need to get right. See you in the next one.